Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We have a 2018 Kx250f. This is my personal short bike. I bought it brand new. Only ridden it 3 times all year before the teardown. Bike is absolutely mint. Changed oil with Maxima each time I ran it. Everything about the bike is bone stock. You can see not a scuff on it anywhere. Just a couple of rides by a 50+ vet, and we've just had a cold, cruddy summer here in Wisconsin this year, and just really didn't get a chance to get out and ride. So this bike really shouldn't even be coming apart. But if you need parts for your 2018 Kx250f or other models that the parts will work on, let us know. Check down below. Check us on eBay at Recycled and Saved. Let us know what you need for this or other bikes. Hopefully we can help you out. Thanks a lot.